picking up jobs and automatic. I'm putting in the first gear, thinking I'm putting in the part. I'm tripping.
Why you taking pictures in that lab? We don't own one. Shades on my face, not the yard. These are cold.
Sorry, now. What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Zell back here on another video, man. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, you already know what's going on. My battery went dead, but we got a loaner battery right now. Let me give y'all a cold start. We're gonna go out there to Walmart and go get another battery. I'm just doing a little vlog style content because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, burn y'all out with the regular POV content. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all a little POV plus vlog type style. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. Let's go ahead and give y'all a little cold start before we take off. See what I'm saying? Take that thing out. Give it a wiggle. You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably can't even hear me, but hey, we about to go ahead and head to Walmart, man. I'm gonna go ahead and have y'all on my head. Y'all already know how to go. Too crazy though. I'ma roll this one up because this is crazy. That air noise. You see. Alright, y'all can see good. Trying to figure out which way do I need to take to get there. There's an S550 up there. Is that a Hellcat? See, you doing all that for no reason. You could have just, like, you trying to speed up near me and all that. Like, come on, bruh. It smells different, like it don't smell like Is that what E85 smell like? I never smelled it before. People was like, they got like E85 smell different, but I don't know what I'm smelling. It just smell like something, I don't know, that's not gas coming from that vehicle. This curve always get me every time. Grand Reaper. Let's see what we can do. Do too much now. Oh my, that truck was loud, bruh. Nothing like riding in fourth gear just to hear your car. I don't want to pass them like that, but I might have to. So much air. Come on now, you can keep going. Another S550. I always see him around though. We're gonna turn at the light. You never know how loud your car is until you... I'm hiring anybody who knows how to drive a manual to drive my car for me so I can film it. I paid $20. Matter of fact, it might be $5 because this is for my personal entertainment. I want to hear what it sounds like. And they closed down Chick-fil-A. I think that's a scat right there. He's gonna pull in right here, y'all boys, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick that battery up. See what I'm saying? I'm about to leave. I'm thinking I'm driving the automatic. I'm putting it in first gear, thinking I'm putting it in park. I'm tripping. But anyways, I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I go in there and get the battery and all that. All right, so we back, y'all boys. Just got that battery. I don't know if this a good brand or not, but it should do what it do. It's a battery. I mean, what else? You know what I'm saying? But I just walked in the store with my mic on, and I forgot to take it off. It was acting in a certain way, so I'm just like, man, they must see my, you know what I'm saying, my mic on my shirt. But we about to go ahead and back out of this thing, y'all boys. About to stall a lot because I got these ones on. I mean, not ones, dunks on. Whew, man, I was holding that battery in my hand for so long, bro. I was trying to hold my composure. I'm out of breath now. That heavy, but you know what I'm saying? To a person with these scrawny arms like this, you know. I'ma still take the long way for y'all, you know, just for y'all. We'll take the long way to get home. Actually, I'm not even about to go home right now. I'm about to probably go film something. We basically gonna took the way we just took, so. It's a Honda. Honda right beside me. We about to see what he about to do. If I had something to promote, I would promote it right now, but I don't got nothing to promote, so, you know. We about to go mess with the Honda. Try to lock in with me, so we about to lock in with him. What y'all think he gonna do now? Come on now. Uh-oh, he behind me, y'all boys. Uh-oh. Y'all know my famous line. Uh-oh. Hold on now. That boy is still behind me. Come on. I'm waiting on him. He behind me, y'all boys. I'm waiting on him. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. It's up. Come on now. Uh-oh. We're about to turn around. But anyway, man, we got our battery. We got what we wanted to get. We just, you know what I'm saying, taunted another person. So, I mean, we know that was obviously unfair. We're not going to count that. But I'm not going to say that, though, because some Hondas be quick. I'm not going to sleep on a Honda. I never sleep on a Honda because some of them be quick. But I just wanted to mess with him, though, because I seen he wanted to mess with me. He shouldn't have never did it, you know what I'm saying? We starting off in second gear. My shifts was a little crusty because I got these dunks on, so y'all don't talk about my shifts because I got dunks on. I don't normally wear dunks. But, you anyways, man, make sure your boy like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. That was not planned. This was, you know what I'm saying? This is not staged. But we obviously know that was unfair. But we ain't gonna sleep on the Hondas though. But anyway, make sure your boy like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Zell, I'm out.
And I promise I am.